Hello, I'm Sonia Singh, part of the team Meher, Atomy Global Distributor for Coventry, United Kingdom.
And hi everyone, my name is Lois Nichols. I'm a Diamond Master with Atomy UK. I'm also a Centre Leader of Atomy Achievers Centre in Kent, United Kingdom. Welcome on board. Today, we're going to be sharing some beautiful products. Plant-based organic products with you. Products that are non-toxic, they are
Yes,
herbal, they are made
100%.
from pure natural ingredients.
That's right.
Products with no side effects.
Yes, that's
No
a good
long
about.
Oh yes, no long-term damage. They
Mm,
are as good as the food we eat.
I'm agree.
Come on board. My
Yes.
first product today, the Atomy Xylem Husk. A lot of people I know about this product because in my course of sharing this product with people, they're like, "Oh, Xylem Husk, I know that. It's a dietary fiber." And I'm like, "Yes, it's a dietary fiber." So people who are highly constipated, who suffer from digestive problems,
Yes.
and who have a very bad eating habit, eating junk food, sometimes the nature of your job exposes you to junk food, okay? Take this, okay? It's one sachet, a day, and
Yeah.
you dissolve it in 250 mils of water, shake it, and take it. It needs a lot of water. So, the very small 250 ml spring bottle will do it. And then you take it and watch what happens, okay?
Yeah.
This will actually help you to go, okay? It enhances peristalsis, which is the movement of your bowels, okay?
Right.
So it helps you actually to go, okay? This is a good one to try, okay? It's amazing. Is there a product you've tried that you also love
Yeah,
here?
shall I explain you about my experience about Omega?
Yeah, sure.
This
Why
Omega,
not?
the Omega is wonderful product as well.
Good.
This is for eye, brain, and cholesterol and heart and joints.
Wow.
So I recommend everybody if you can try this twice a day, one in the morning, one in the evening. That's do a very good job. I recommend so many people and somebody tried, and this is a very good product.
And just to add to what you've just said,
Yeah.
I hear that Atomy uses the best fish. It's the polar fish from
Yes,
the icy waters of Alaska.
that's right.
I
Yeah.
mean, they go all the way to get this polar fish because it is known to have the highest concentration of fish oil. So
Yeah.
whatever you're getting with Atomy Alaska 3 omega fish oil is the highest form of purified fish oil and concentrated fish oil. Can you really beat that?
Yeah, no, and
No wonder a lot of people
yeah. Can you
are
see the
using.
size? If you see outside Omega, other Omegas, it's very big
Very
to
big.
swallow and problem. So this
Yeah.
is very tiny and you can enjoy
Easy.
it nicely.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's really, really good.
Wow. So we've got the purest and also highly concentrated omega-3 here. Okay?
Yeah, that's right.
Can you really go wrong with that?
No.
How about our vitamin C? Have you had the opportunity to try this? I know
Yeah.
you have.
Yeah, yes,
Because
yes.
I have.
Yeah,
They
it's
come
good
in
though,
sachets.
yeah.
They come in sachets like this, okay? And guess what? No chemicals. These contains 7 different types of fruits.
Fruit.
Strawberry, mango, orange, just name
Ginger
it.
there
Yeah,
as well,
yeah,
yes. So
amazing.
yes.
Pomegranate, in fact, all infused into this amazing package. So when you're taking this, you're taking real fruit.
I'm
okay?
agree with you. I'm definitely
Yeah,
agree
this is
with
good.
you.
Yeah, I bought this post-COVID, and my family loved this. So this never goes out in my family, if you know what I mean. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shall I tell you about pomegranate jelly?
Yeah, feel
This
free.
is another one. It's another best product as well. It's
Wow.
pomegranate from Turkey, pure come from Turkey. So this is just one jelly you need to have a day. And this is about 13 glass of pure pomegranate juice in there. It's like
Wow.
it's a jelly form. And this is good
Wow.
for pure the blood. Blood purify.
Yeah.
And we are ladies, always we go to menopause problems.
Yeah.
So where we need something to work on. So this is the best thing you can have and work very well.
Yeah. Someone asked me the other day, can men take pomegranate mixed fruit jelly? Can men take it?
They can if they want to. It's no harm, but it's more.
And I hear they say some men take it as well.
Yes. It's no harm. It's good though.
It's good.
They can have it.
Yeah.
But mostly we say for ladies because we have a menopause problem, so our iron deficiency, so many
Yeah.
things come along.
Yeah.
So there is work very well.
Yeah,
So
okay.
I do for nearly months now, and I'm seeing it.
Okay.
Amazing results.
So there you go. All the
Yeah.
men that are asking, can we use pomegranate? Yes,
They
you can
can,
also
they can,
use
yes.
pomegranate. Men too like to stay healthy.
Why not? Why
Men
not?
too like supplements. You know,
Yeah,
they like to stay
actually,
healthy.
that's
Why
right.
not? You know.
Yeah.
And I've got another one here,
one
which
you
I'd
have?
like to. It's the memory. Atomy
Oh, I haven't
Smart
tried
Memory.
this one. What's that?
Oh my God, it's Atomy Smart Memory Up.
All right.
What attracted me to this was, I don't know if it's age. I'm not that old anyway, you know, but I was forgetting events. Like I'll have an event and I'll forget it, and my daughter starts saying, "Mom, hello, is everything okay?" You know, when your daughter asks, "Mom, is everything okay?"
Yeah.
I said, "Oh my God." I'm like, you know what? Let me start trying this, okay? And since I've been taking it, I've seen a lot of improvement, okay?
Yeah.
So this is what I would recommend for elderly parents, people, you know, with memory issues, memory problem, dementia. Is it dementia they call it?
Yes.
You know.
So you need one tablet a day, or
it's 2 tablets a day on this one. Yeah, 2 tablets a day. Okay, and as typical of all Atomy healthcare supplements, you know, is all plant based.
like as omega.
All natural supplements. It's all plant based, so you can't really go wrong. Okay,
that's good. I will try that.
Yeah, I have tried
where
it.
from I
It's
order
lovely.
that one?
Oh yes, you can order it online.
Okay, all right.
Yeah,
I will do
it will
that.
be delivered straight to your door. Okay.
Oh, that's good.
And for anybody watching, if you are interested in any of these plant-based organic supplements, please send a DM. Okay, it will be delivered straight to your door. I kid you not. Okay, at manufacturer's price. Okay, remember,
that's really good,
manufacturer's
isn't it?
price is always cheaper.
That's right.
So send us that DM. Okay, to get any of these products that we've just shown. Okay, we do have quite a range of products, over like 600 products, okay?
Right, yeah.
And most of Atomy products are global bestsellers, okay? And this is because people use it, they get results. You know, people want to use products and get and see results.
That's right, yeah.
For example,
yeah,
when you use a product, you recommend it to me, and I use it, I also recommend it to somebody else.
Yeah.
Okay? The company itself thrives on auto consumers. People who just use their products, they love them, and they just keep coming back for more.
That's right. Like is iron. If I tell you what experience I have, I got some iron deficiency in the past. So doctor always give me medicines, and this he said you have to continue for whole the life. Then I'm not able to do that. So when I tried this iron sachets, it's just all the berries are here. Blueberry, raspberry, all the berries.
All the berries.
Yes.
Mixed berries, they call
berries.
it.
Yeah, mixed berries. And taste is delicious.
It is.
So if you have it just one a day, it's doing a good
Let's
job.
warn you anyway, all their supplements that taste are out of this world. Can't beat so don't be tempted to take more than you should.
So anybody have iron problems, you know. So they have this, and that's it. So when I had some issue afterwards, I had this 1 month course, and I went to doctor and had a blood test, and my doctor was amazed. That was so high. Now I'm plus 12. So it's very, very good for ladies to have a plus. So that's why I tell people, just go for this rather than outside. Iron tablets. Which one? So sorry to say that, but that's give a constipation problem. But with blueberries, iron supplement, it will be work very, very best.
Wow, this is good. And don't forget, men can also use it, because when you say ladies and men will be like, so it's just...
children can have as well.
Even children.
Yes, whoever have an issue for iron, so this is the best to have this. So Atomy got a wonderful product, like she said as well. So
amazing. This is one of the new ones I've been using.
All right.
You know, it's not popular in UK, but we're trying to create more awareness for Atomy Hang Sandam. Okay. It's not popular, but we're getting there with this product. Okay, it's an amazing product. Okay, all the way from Korea. All right, and for energy boost, man, if you're like me, that you need 48 hours in a day to function, okay? So 24 hours is not enough. Because with 24 hours, oh my gosh, you have so much to do, all right? That's why I tell my children, I'm like, why can't we have 48 hours in a day so that I can finish everything I have to do in a day? So at the end of 24 hours, I literally, and I kid you not, literally I'm exhausted. I go on my bed and I just want to, just leave me, let me, So I love this because it keeps me going, It gives me such energy boost, okay? Yeah, so if you're like me, you're getting tired, you're working long hours, you're standing long hours at work, maybe you're doing security work or, works that are really, jobs that are demanding.
Where you on and on.
Where you're just on and on and you keep constantly.
Somebody.
Yes.
Something to boost.
Yes, you need Atomy Handsome Down. It's granules. They're like granules. Wow. Yeah.
Okay. Mine is a powder.
Yeah, that's powder. This is like granules, tiny granules. Yeah. Right, and then you just melt it in hot or warm water. Okay. Mix it just like tea, and you just take it like tea. And that's it.
So you can have it cold as well.
Oh, you can have it cold if you want. But you see, with cold water, you really want the granules to dissolve. Yeah. So I always tell people warm or hot water, because you want those granules all dissolved inside, So that's it for with Handsome Down. I've tried it and I'm loving it. And I encourage everybody to try it.
It's one sachet a day or two?
I do one a day.
Okay, you do one.
But I've got a friend who does one in the morning and one at night.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's your call, but I do one a day. Okay. Yeah. This is Atomy Handsome Down. Okay. For that energy. Like, you want that
boosting energy to keep you going.
Keep you going.
Keep you going.
Why not?
That's it. That is all Atomy product.
Don't forget.
Keep you going.
It's natural.
Yeah.
Plant-based.
That's right.
So we've got nothing to lose.
I'm agreeing for that.
Exactly. So Lovely. So these are some of the amazing products we get from Atomy. Yeah. We'll be sharing more products.
We will for next session. Thank you very much for listeing to us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Okay.